go.
Hand on the wheel, got my pistons pumping, all 800 horses running. Oh, baby. 125.
You have fun?
I got my engine thundering. Dream machine.
One thing you have to deal with when you come into these waterfalls are the mosquitoes, right? So you put mosquito repellent on you, which I did. Rub it all over my body. But once you jump in that water 2 or 3 times, and the mosquito repellent is gone. And then the mosquitoes starts attacking you. So I want to get out of here because I was getting bit by some mosquitoes. I decided to get out. Mosquitoes starting to bite me.
What, you have it, bro?
Yeah, but I'm gonna put it back on and off, on and off. That's enough for me. Sure, buddy. Let's go. All right. And it's easier to go up the hill. It's always easy to climb up the hill.
I'm vlogging, man.
You're vlogging, man.
Say hello to my vlog. You're vlogging?
Yes, I'm a blogger. How about you?
I'm just a beauty.
Oh, sorry for getting into your vlogging. But I'm famous, man. You wanna collaborate sometime? I could help you with your channel.
I'm gonna collaborate with Blade.
Collaborate my brain.
Collaborate with Blade.
Oh, Gonzalez. Oh my gosh. Oh boy. Well, it's not as slippery going up, but it is tough to go up the hill, right? Hey, it's a beautiful waterfall. Yeah. Oh yeah. I hate mosquitoes. And then you get out here, get out of the woods, and you're out in the sun, and there's no mosquito bites. You alright? Hey, you haven't done anything today, huh?
Yeah.
Just because you did 1 hour of yoga, don't give you an excuse to be lazy. Come on, let's go.
Lazy. Who wants to more work? Huh? Yeah. Which way?
That's why. Hey, miss. You sure you don't want to collab?
Yeah. Leave me alone, or otherwise I'm gonna collab your brain.
Hello. How you doing? No, I'm sure. I'm sure I could help you with your channel, miss. What's the name of your channel?
I'm dying.
You're dying. What's the name of your channel, miss? I can help you.
I'm a butterfly.
Oh, you're a butterfly, huh?
Yes.
Well, I hope they work on these steps in the future. Oh. Woo! You tired?
No, my neck.
Ah,
We're going to Bukid Cafe.
boy. Why are we going to Bukid Cafe? Wait a minute, is that where all bloggers go? Where all the famous bloggers, they go to Bukid Cafe? Well, I'm not sure I'm gonna make it up this hill. How you doing, Gonzalez? Are you doing all right?
You think I'm good? Do I look like I'm okay?
Huh, you're okay? Come on, we're almost there. Up there. That's the place where you pay to get in here. Oh man, one more hill to climb. I sure hope they do something with these steps. Here we go. Here we go. Up, 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 up. Oh, I got something to grab. Hold you. Up, 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 up. How you doing? Hey, you're from Great Britain, man? Are you from England?
Yeah. But I don't speak like Indian. England.
You don't speak like an Indian? Huh? You want a coconut? How much is a coconut? What? How much?
50.
Alright. Let's get two.
This one?
Oh, you're killing us a water coconut, huh? Fresh coconut? How much is it? 50 pesos? Is it duha or duha?
Haon.
Duhaon. Duhaon means two, I think. Hey miss,
What?
you a vlogger? Are you a vlogger, miss? What are you trying to do with it? You want me to help you set up your phone, man? You having problems? Yeah, you gotta put a little coconut thing there. It'll help stand your phone. There you go, ma'am. Yeah, yeah. The coconut always helps.
I'm a vlogger, guys.
Yeah.
Hoy.
Oh, well, there it worked. Oh, thank you.
Okay. Asan yung kutsa? Ay.
Hey, do we have straws? No.
Gusto sir. Sa Filipino style.
Filipino style? I like that Filipino style. Mmm. Oh man, that's good. Fresh coconut juice. Woo. That's good. What's wrong, Gonzalez? Gonzalez, what are you doing? Huh?
Panda, stop it.
Whew, this is good. They will drink it all.
Wala na ma'am. Kaya ko na ma'am, samod ka na ma'am.
Ya, kabalo mo kukuya ito. Bukid, magkuy.
Oh, sweet ka na. Dito ah.
This is good. And don't cut yourself, ma'am. It's not worth it.
Next.
This is
Are boss? Usa na.
Kuya, imo na ning kabila, kuya. Di kuya maubos.
Yeah. You cut mine up so I can have some. Thank you. That's a spoon. All right. Let's see how this thing tastes. Oh wow, this looks good. Look at that.
Ayan. Purita.
Fresh coconuts, guy. What's so funny, Gonzalez?
Guy. The guy.
Hmm? His pants is ripped. Very filming, and that's only half. You guys doing what?
Boodle fight.
Voodoo fight?
So like a rice and banana leaves.
All people can eat together.
Who's fighting who?
No, it's like eating.
Huh? Oh, hey, you're on my channel. Sorry. Yeah, you can jump in there if you want. Just say hello. Oh, in fact, you are in the channel. You're in the video. You're in the video too. What's your name?
Aaron. My name
Aaron?
is Aaron. Yeah.
Oscar.
Oscar?
Yeah.
Hey, what's your name, miss?
Don't disturb me.
That's part of the Budo fight?
Yeah.
Okay, so what's the whole thing about Budo fight? You
Banana leaves and you put rice and then you put like chicken on it, like chicken or pork. And you eat together. Very hands.
and then you just eat it, right?
Yeah, eat together.
But eat together.
Like
But,
the ladies.
but the word fight, what does that mean? You're just
This is like just like combining.
everybody get to eat, right?
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Just combining like just fighting over the food.
Okay. Okay.
The fight is fighting.
You're gonna put them on the vlog?
Yeah. You guys want to be in my blog? I have a channel. It's Sam Lamb. We'll be in our us coming up here and going down there, and then when we come up, you guys are in it. So channel is Sam Lamb, SAMLAMB. So
Sam Lamb.
yeah, very easy.
Sam Lamb.
And I'll put down something that says voodoo fight. No, what is it?
Yeah, Budol fight.
Voodoo fight.
BUDOLD.
Okay.
How many
voodoo fight.
subscribers have you have, sir?
Oh, not many.
1 million.
No, we only have about 5,000 or 6,000. We just started. So. Thank you, Guya, for the coconut. Thank you very much. Very much, Aaron. And Oscar. Hey, you guys have a great day. How long you been working here?
Like 6 years.
6 years? And
years of
Oscar, you
sitting.
huh?
6 years of sitting.
Oh, 6 years.
Yeah, every day.
Every day. How about you, Oscar? How long you been working?
Just like few months.
Few months? Yeah. Give you something to do here, huh? Hey, no fighting with the food, huh? We'll see you guys later. Bye-bye. That was fun, wasn't it? Huh? We had a great time here. We had a great time jumping off the side of the whirlpool. It's not as big as Kambugahai, but it's kind of nice, huh? And it's closer to San Juan. You don't have to drive so far to get there. All right, guys, we'll talk to you later, and we're gonna head back to our hotel.
Oh,
Well,
go to cafe. Bukid Cafe.
Bukit Cafe, Gonzales, I don't know how to get there. All right, I'll go to where we think it is, and then we'll ask people there, okay?